EcoBoost broken stud right here. I know I've shown you a video before. It's kind of blurry, and so this one I'm going to try to make clear. And so it's already broken at the perfect height that I want to use my rotobroach. This one I'll have to cut afterwards, but that's what you want to use first. Just go in about 1/8 of an inch. Then you want to give it some taps. See if it will spin out with some vicegrips. That's pretty much how easy these studs come out after you rotobroach them. Now these top three on these engines, you usually have to repair the threads. Now this one come out. Threads look like they're there, but the aluminum swells from all the water and it pushes a manifold back, pulls the threads out usually. Like this one's gone and the front one's gone. I won't trust this one either. I'm gonna fix that hole. The bottom three you're usually pretty safe on, but the top three, because the manifold pushes this way and pulls the threads, breaks the studs. Anyways, that's how easy these studs come out after you rotobroach them. Or you could weld a nut on them if you don't want to use vice grips. But do the rotobroaching first. It'll save you a pile of nuts trying to weld it out of there. So now we're going to get this stud ready to do the same thing. We only wanted about a 1/2 inch sticking out. There you go, nice and easy and quick. If you're going to be stubborn and try to weld 20 nuts onto it, get yourself a rotobroach and make your job a lot easier. there. Until the next one.